Hey, welcome to this channel once again. I keep welcome now to this channel. So see the joy now. Today signed document to our house. My people, this one sweet. Yeah, so this one a better news where we say if you're not here and I go happy. They say the small yash with big girl don't buy house. So yes, so she don't buy the house for USA. House where we say worth $1.6 million. My people, you need to see the joy where we say korra obidi they do with him mama and every other of his sisters and a family member. Men happiness and overjoy be this so for korra obidi. And all of us they know say this woman she they work hard, and that's why the first saying with your husband or come out in the marriage, but the woman no give up, she they always they work hard. And she shock everybody for the video where she post for her Instagram page where she they sign the paper saying God do one for her, so she don't buy house for USA. So as she shock everybody, they tell everybody say the one when they call her divorcee, she don't buy house. So say God do this one, and also now they call her small yash, say small yash with big God, they don't buy house. If you watch this video where you go see say in mama self they smile, nobody will know like better thing. So as they sign the video for this video, as they sign the documents to the house, my friend, my brother, man, this one a big congratulations. We just hope say the husband go they jealous. So now say this thing entertainment stuff we say everybody want the year waiting to happen. Well, we wait for the husband video when he go release next time. And the lady will be korra obidi don't talk say she did. My people, don't forget to follow us for more content, and if you watch the video in this channel always informative, do well to like and share your opinion in the comment section below. For our platform, don't forget to click on the subscription button to get more notification when we upload new videos.